Wednesday the 27th of October and I'm filming a study with me. I thought I would be productive. I have quite a lot to do, so I thought I'll film a video. And I also have, again, like my last study with me, I have a master's seminar and I have a group meeting which I will not forget about this time. So I'm going to write it in my planner, and I'm just a little bit, like, the time is at 7:30. 7:30, I don't know how long it'll take. I really hope it doesn't take like an hour, because then that's my evening kind of gone. We have group work to work on a questionnaire, so we will see how that goes. And I think the first thing that I will do is readings for my master's seminar. I have 3 articles to read. They're about olfactory training, because that's the topic of the seminar. But I think that's what I'll start with first, and then I have some lecture and class notes to do. That's it for uni things, I think. This morning I was editing a video, so I'm nearly finished that. And then I have tutoring stuff, so I do have things to do after I do these things. So I'm hoping this doesn't take me too long, like maybe an hour and a half. I have a study playlist named Autumn Jazz, because I've been really enjoying jazz music lately. So I'm going to play this while I do the reading. Oh gosh, that is loud. Okay, so it's 12:30. What I did was I just copied the main information because there's not much. I just copied the information and highlighted words which I've never heard of before, like odor thresholds. The sniffing sticks, I've never heard of that before. But yeah, so now it's 12:30. I need to hurry up and get on with this work. So now I'm going to do lecture work. I'm on Quizlet and I just remembered that I need to add to these ones, but I don't have my notebook with me up here, so I'll probably do that later. This is why I'm doing this lecture. Okay, so I finished doing this and the time is 1:30. I think I'm going to have a break until 2 and I'll make another coffee, and I think I'll go to my room now downstairs. I need my notebook and I don't have that with me. And I think I'm going to do tutoring preparation. And yeah, I have until 4:30 to get on with work. So 2 hours or 2.5 hours should be enough. Okay, the time is 4:15 and I spent quite a while on tutoring preparation. I had a lesson planned out and then it took a while to find resources. Luckily these are already, like, I found them online, but the problem is a lot of the time the resources I find, they cover things that the kids I teach already know, but there are like a couple words in there that they haven't heard of, which is good for like teaching them new things, but sometimes there's too much of that. I worry that's going to discourage them, so that's why a lot of the time I create my own resources, and that's why it takes a long time. And I think I might be feeling a little bit, not burnt out, but like discouraged when it comes to my work, just because, I don't know, I just feel like I'm working so much. And like I mentioned, or maybe I didn't mention, like with my YouTube, I feel like I put so much time and effort into certain things and it just feels like I'm not seeing the results, if that makes sense. But yeah, like with tutoring, I just feel like I'm working so much. Anyway, I've got to go because I'm leaving the house now. And then I have the seminar, which is online in 45 minutes. Hello, so I had my master's seminar. It was alright. This time I'm usually not by my desk and not by a computer. The meeting is supposed to start in 10 minutes. Yeah, in 10 minutes. The problem is I'm looking on the group that has been created, and the last group work they did, the call lasted 2 hours. I really hope this doesn't take 2 hours because I'm not about to sit here from 7:30 to 9:30. Evenings, I don't function in the evenings, which is why I don't do any work at this time. I can't even form sentences. Like, I'm not functioning. I don't have to wake up early tomorrow, which is a good thing, but I kind of do if I want to get on with some more work. So I'm really hoping an hour max. I don't even know what the task is. Okay, enough talking. I will update when this is over. I hope it is not. I really hope you're not about to see a 2 hours later screen.